thank you for being all here. It's a real pleasure to now also be in Hyderabad. Pressto already has 50 stores in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. And we are delighted to be in your beautiful and very fast growing city, Hyderabad. We are opening already with 3 stores at the same time. Here at Banjara Hills with 2 stores, one for shoes and bags and one for garments and dry cleaning. We are opening in HiTech City and we are also looking for locations in Jubilee Hills and Film Nagar. So where did it all start? Actually, it started in Mexico. When I was living there with my wife, we discovered Pressto, which is a Spanish brand, and we are Dutch, and we are operating in India. So that is really kind of global, and we took all these experiences also to bring India the best quality care of attire. So we do shoes, we do bags, we do, of course, garments, what we call it altogether attire. Also leather is one of the things we are very experienced now and very good at. And recently we also more prominently introduced our tailoring service, which is darning, alteration, and later on we will also do stitching, which also gives the store a beautiful view. So now quality is our motto. We want it to be the best in quality, and we are very proud to say that that is actually true. The industry and many other stakeholders also recognize that. And that is what we are also going to introduce, of course, in Hyderabad. That is our strength, and in addition, we will be price effective and we will have convenience in terms of pickup and delivery. So the whole suite of services you can imagine. If you come to the store and you need a quick job, we can do it within 2 hours. Our standard service is like 48 hours. And if you are really in a hurry, only need pressing, we can do it in 15 minutes. Because we do everything in the store itself.
Okay.
But we don't want to use that word. I want to introduce Pradeep Yadav to you, who will be the regional manager in Hyderabad itself. So you can reach him every hour of the day.
Yes,
Pradeep.
every minute, every hour.
He has a fantastic experience with Pressto. About 15 years you are now with us, and we really count on him for expansion and excellent services also here in Hyderabad.
We are ready to deliver.